We still have how many more minutes?
Before our Zumba warm-up.
Panlaban.
So 5 minutes.
That's right.
Kanina, napag-usapan natin in front of our 18 runners. Just keep in mind, meron lang po kayong 4 na user to complete their runners. That's all you need to know.
Let's go. Pwede ba to? Ay!
Post-run festivities, meron tayong raffle draw,
See you sa finish line. Yes. Good luck, Beshi.
awarding ceremony.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and once again, welcome to our 10K runners for this year's
See you all at finish line.
That's right, Hera, leg 2. Let's go. 1,400 runners in the area.
1,400,
Wow.
my goodness.
So nice to see you here, guys. Hopefully on the next leg.
Hoy, mga fans ni Lian, say hi to Lian.
Hi! Let's go. Finish strong, guys. See you, Bye-bye.
5 kilometer. In. Let's go. Dilim. Last one. Let's go. Thank you. Thanks. Done. Thank you, Lord. We're done. Congrats, Beshi. See you on the next leg. Last leg. Last leg na. Kailangan mabit mo na yung PR mo, ah.
Let's go. Ang bilis ng Beshi ko. Hindi na, akala ko nga 1 hour. 1 hour na to, 1 hour.